tam na diabla.
I'm going to tell you a story.
Poviem vám príbeh.
My sister came home for dinner one day after school.
Moja sestra prišla na večeru jeden deň po škole
She was bleeding on her face.
a krvácala na tvári.
My dad was home. He normally was out preaching, but he was home.
A môj otec, aj keď vtedy veľa kázal, mimo tak bol vtedy doma.
He put his fork and knife down and said, "What happened to your face?"
Tak položil svoj príbor a povedal, čo sa stalo s tvojou tvárou.
Camila, stand up.
Kamila, postav sa.
My sister was as old as Camila.
Moja sestra mala vtedy vek Kamily.
She said, "A boy hit me.
Povedal, že jeden chlapec ma udrel.
I was walking off the bus and he stood up and hit me."
Že ja som vychádzal z autobusu, on sa postavil a buchol ma.
My dad's eyes changed.
Oči môjho otca sa zmenili trochu.
He looked the same as when he would get ready to cast a devil out of somebody.
Bol pripravený a mal ten výraz, ako keď má vyháňať démona z niekoho.
He said, "Who is it?"
On sa spýtal, že kto bol ten chalan.
She said his name.
Povedala to meno.
My dad said to me, "Do you know who the boy is?"
On sa spýtal mňa, že poznáš
I
toho
said, "I
chalana?
do."
Povedal som, že poznám ho.
He said, "Make sure you take care of that tomorrow."
Povedal, že uisti sa, že túto vec vyriešiš zajtra.
That was the happiest day of my life.
To bol najšťastnejší deň mojho života.
Because
Pretože
I was never afraid of getting in trouble
Yes.
from the school.
ja som sa nikdy nebal potiaží a problémov v škole.
I was afraid of the school calling home to my dad.
Bál som sa, že oni ale zavolajú zo školy môjmu otcovi.
One time, me and 4 friends, 5 of us got in trouble at school.
Raz ja a 4 moji kamaráti, 5 z nás sme sa dostali do problémov v škole.
We all went to see the principal.
Išli sme do riaditeľne.
The principal yelled at all of us,
Riaditeľ na nás nabliakal.
and he said, "I'm going to call all of your parents."
Povedal, zavolám všetkým vašim rodičom.
He said, "All of you can leave except Jonathan."
Že všetci môžete odísť, okrem Jonathana.
So I thought, "Oh, good Lord, why
Som si povedal,
more trouble?"
dobrý pane, že čo ešte viac problémov.
When they shut the door,
Keď zavreli dvere,
he said, "I'm not calling your
povedal,
dad.
že tvojmu otcovi nejdem ani volať.
Their parents are going to make them not be able to watch TV for one night.
Lebo rodičia tých štyroch ostatných im nedovolia pozerať večer telku.
Your dad is going to change the way you walk."
Ale tvoj otec sa postaral o to, aby iným spôsobom si od dneska chodil.
And so I'm giving you one more chance.
Takže máš poslednú šancu.
So that's my dad.
Taký bol môj otec, aby si
Even the
chápali.
principal was afraid of what my dad would do to me.
Aj riaditeľ sa bál, že čo mi môj otec spôsobí doma.
So when my dad told me I had permission
Takže keď mi otec dal to povolenie,
to take care of it,
aby som sa o to postaral,
I knew how a mafia guy felt when they said, "Go kill him."
ja som sa cítil ako mafián, keď im povedia, že choď a vyrieš to, daj ho dole.
I waited till after school.
Tak som počkal si, keď skončila
The kid was
škola.
younger than me.
Chalan bol mladší odo mňa.
Easy fight.
Ľahký boj.
I waited for him to get off the bus,
Počkal som si, kým si vystúpi z autobusu.
and I beat him up.
A tak som ho domlátil.
The Bible says, "Whatever your hand finds to do, do it with all your might."
Biblia hovorí, že čokoľvek chytí tvoja ruka, urob to so všetkou svojou silou.
So I punched him till my arms got tired,
Tak som ho bil, že moje ruky už boli unavené z
and
toho.
then I went home.
A išiel som domov.
I should have walked home faster.
Mal som kráčať domov rýchlejšie,
So I'm walking home,
tak som kráčal domov
and all of a sudden this sports car speeds up,
a zrazu také športové auto pridalo
slams on its brakes,
a šliaplo na pedále, na
and this
brzdy.
huge guy gets out.
A jeden veľký
Stand up.
chlapík vyšiel von. Postav sa, prosím.
Stand up, like him.
Ako on.
And I was like 14.
A ja som mal, že 14.
And he goes up to me and goes,
A on prišiel ku mne a povedal mi,
"Did you beat up my son?"
ty si zbil môjho syna?
Well, I was a Christian.
Ja som bol kresťan.
I said, "Yep,
Povedal som, že yes.
can't lie."
Nemôžeš klamať predsa.
He said, "I'm about as more big than you are than him. How would you like if I did this to you?"
A on povedal, že ja som od teba väčší, ako ty si bol od neho. Ako by sa ti páčilo, keby ja ti dám takú nakladačku?
And he looked like he was going to do it.
A vyzeral tak, že to aj ide
He
urobiť.
was this close to me with his fist like this.
Takto bol blízko so svojou pesťou ku mne.
How would you like if I hit you?
Že ako by si chcel, sa ti to páčilo, aby ja som teba udrel.
I said, "I wouldn't like it."
A ja som povedal, že mne by sa to nepáčilo.
He said, "I should do it."
A povedal, že mal by som to urobiť.
And I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm going to do.
A ja som povedal, že neviem, čo budem robiť v tomto
And I
momente.
kid you not,
A ja som sa, nesrandujem,
it was like a movie.
bolo to ako vo filme.
My dad drove a van.
Môj otec vystúpil z nákladiaku, z takého väčšieho,
A van?
z venu.
And he didn't only drive a van.
A nie, že mal len van,
His van was custom made to have no windows.
ale bol taký špeciálne prispôsobený, aby nemal ani že len okná.
Like what kidnappers drive.
Presne taká dodávka, ktorú používajú tí, ktorí berú deti.
Yeah. Yeah, psychos.
Takí psychopati.
Because he kept his sound equipment in the van.
Pretože mal svoje ozvukárske náčinie vzadu v dodávke
And he didn't want anybody stealing it. He was an evangelist. He traveled with his own sound.
a on sám so svojím zvukom cestoval ako evanjelista, nechcel, aby mu to niekto ukradol.
So as this guy's getting ready to hit me,
Takže ako ten otec toho
since this van with
chlapca,
no windows coming,
tak prichádzala tá dodávka bez okien.
and I thought, oh, thank God.
Ja som si povedal, vďaka
Now,
Bohu.
let me tell you a side story.
A poviem vám ešte taký bočný príbeh k tomuto.
When I got old enough to go to Bible college,
Keď som bol dostatočne starý ísť na biblickú školu,
my dad said, why don't you take my van as your vehicle to Bible college?
môj otec mi povedal, prečo si nezobereš moju dodávku na biblickú školu?
I
ako
said,
svoje
Dad,
auto. Povedal som si,
I'm having a hard enough time getting women to go on dates with me as it is.
že už teraz mám ťažko brať ľudí, dámy na rande, tak ako som. Nie, to ešte s dodávkou.
It's going to be very hard to get a woman to get in a van with no windows.
To bude ťažko zobrať ženu do dodávky bez okien.
Hey, want to go out to dinner?
No čo, ideme na rande na večeru?
Step into my van.
Nastup do mojej dodávky.
Just move the rope and duct tape.
Len prosím, odstráň tie povrazy, čo tam mám vzadu. Pásku.
Keep your van.
Nehaj si ty svoju dodávku.
If I took his van, I would still be single.
Keby som si zobral vtedy jeho dodávku, tak by som bol single, slobodný.
My dad pulls up in the van.
A teda späť k tomu príbehu, môj otec prišiel na tej dodávke.
I don't know what you know about America.
Neviem čo, vy viete veľa o Amerike.
My dad is from the part of America, what's the word for hillbilly?
Vidlák, sedlák.
Yeah, Vilak.
Vidlák, sedlák.
So look, my dad's from that part of America.
Proste môj otec je taký sedlácky Američan.
So even though he wears a suit,
Takže aj keď mal na sebe
he
oblek,
always has a gun on him.
vždy mal so sebou aj zbraň.
And my dad was coming back from the church office.
A môj otec sa vracal z cirkevnej kancelárie.
This guy's like this to me.
Ten otec toho chlapca, čo som dobil, tak bol
My
takto
dad,
blízko na
that
mňa.
windowless van comes to a stop.
A prišlo to, tá dodávka bez okien, zabrzdila.
My dad gets out of the van.
Môj otec vystúpil z dodávky.
He had on a navy blue suit,
Mal na sebe takú tmavo-modrý oblek.
Ray-Ban sunglasses.
Mal okuliare, Ray-Banky.
His 45 was showing.
45-ka v jeho boku bola
And
viditeľná.
back then he had a mullet.
A mal aj muletku vzadu, viete, čo je
Yeah,
muletka?
like the haircut that psychopaths have.
To sú tie účesy, čo psychopati si dávajú, viete.
Good translating. And he goes, the guy's like this.
A ten otec sa takto zasekol.
And my dad in his preacher's voice,
A môj otec jeho pastorským
is there a problem?
hlasom sa pýtal, je tu nejaký problém?
And that guy that was yelling at me,
A ten chlap, ktorý na mňa kričal,
oh no,
nie, žiadny.
I think our kids just got in a fight.
Asi naši chlapci sa trošku pobili.
You know how kids
Ale
are.
viete, aké sú deti.
It's no big deal.
To je nie problém.
As he got back in his car
A tak nastúpil do svojho
and
športiaku
drove back down the street,
a išiel ďalej na ulici.
my dad watched him go.
Môj otec sa pozeral, ako
The sun
odchádza.
was setting behind my father.
A za mojím otcom v pozadí zapadol
I
slnko.
fell in love with my dad that day.
Ja som sa zamiloval do môjho otca ten večer.
And he said,
A on mi povedal,
is that boy's father?
že je to otec toho chlapca, čo si mal zbiť.
I said, yeah.
Povedal som, že áno.
He said, did you do what I told you?
A pýtal sa ma, že urobil si, čo som
I
ti
said,
povedal?
yes, sir.
Áno, pane.
He said, let's go get some ice cream.
Povedal, že poďme za odmenu na zmrzku.
That was the happiest day of my life.
To je asi najšťastnejší deň v mojom
And I'm going to
živote.
tell you something.
A ja vám poviem niečo.
You're taking care of God's business.
Ty sa budeš starať o Boží biznis
And the devil might send somebody to give you some trouble,
a diabol možno niekedy pošle niekoho, kto ti má robiť potiaže a
but you're
problémy.
never going to have to fight.
Ale ty nikdy nebudeš musieť s ním
When the
zápasiť,
devil picks a fight with you,
pretože keď diabol si vybere boj
there's
s
a
tebou,
van headed your way.
takže ide k tebe jedna
God's going to
dodávka
get out of that van.
a ten otec nevíde
He's going to take care of you.
a on sa o teba
He's going to
postará.
take care of you.
On sa postará o teba.
He's taking care